NEC Section 210.19 addresses overcurrent protection, stating that overcurrent protection shall not be placed in parallel with each other. This is a foundational principle to ensure that each circuit has its own independent protection against overcurrents. When overcurrent protection devices are placed in parallel, it creates a situation where the intended protection is compromised. The current may not divide equally between the parallel devices, leading one device to carry more current than it is rated for, potentially causing it to fail prematurely or not trip when required. Moreover, parallel overcurrent protection makes it difficult to coordinate the tripping of the devices in a selective manner, which is crucial for maintaining power to essential loads while isolating faults. Each circuit must have its own dedicated overcurrent protection device to ensure reliable and effective protection. NEC Section 210.20 specifies that circuit breakers shall open all ungrounded conductors of the circuit. This requirement ensures that when a circuit breaker trips, it disconnects all the hot wires associated with that circuit, preventing any possibility of a shock hazard or continued current flow in the event of a fault. The purpose of this requirement is to enhance safety by completely isolating the circuit when an overcurrent or short circuit occurs. It also helps to prevent situations where one leg of a multi-wire branch circuit remains energized while the other is disconnected, which can lead to equipment damage or create a hazardous condition. The rule emphasizes the importance of comprehensive circuit disconnection for safety and protection. NEC Section 210.4b addresses the protection of circuits with specified maximum overcurrent protective device ratings. This section mandates that each circuit for which a maximum overcurrent protective device rating is specified shall be protected by a single overcurrent protective device. The intention is to ensure that the circuit is adequately protected by a single device that matches the circuit's ampacity and the connected load requirements. The use of a single, appropriately sized overcurrent protective device ensures that the circuit is not subjected to currents beyond its safe carrying capacity. This promotes safety and prevents potential hazards such as overheating, insulation damage, and fire. It is important to note that this requirement applies to circuits with specific maximum overcurrent protection ratings, ensuring that these circuits are given the necessary level of protection. NEC Section 408.36 places limits on the load served by lighting and appliance branch circuits. Specifically, it states that a lighting and appliance branch circuit shall not supply any receptacle outlet providing more than 1800 watts of load. This limitation is designed to prevent overloading of branch circuits and ensure that the circuit's capacity is not exceeded by the connected loads. By limiting the maximum load on a branch circuit, the NEC aims to reduce the risk of overheating, insulation damage, and fire hazards. This requirement is especially important for receptacle outlets, as they are commonly used to power a variety of appliances and equipment. The 1800 watt limit helps to ensure that the circuit can safely handle the anticipated load and provide reliable power to the connected devices. By interpreting these NEC articles collectively, a clear understanding emerges regarding the practice of connecting multiple circuits to a single circuit breaker. These articles, when considered together, strongly imply that only one circuit should be connected to a circuit breaker for safety reasons. Firstly, NEC Section 210.19 emphasizes the need for independent overcurrent protection for each circuit, highlighting the dangers of placing overcurrent protection devices in parallel. Secondly, NEC Section 210.20 requires that circuit breakers open all ungrounded conductors of the circuit, ensuring complete isolation of the circuit during a fault condition. Thirdly, NEC Section 210.4b mandates that each circuit with a specified maximum overcurrent protective device rating be protected by a single overcurrent protective device, preventing the use of multiple devices to protect a single circuit. Fourthly, NEC Section 408.36 limits the load on lighting and appliance branch circuits, further reinforcing the idea that circuits should be designed and protected individually. When multiple circuits are connected to a single circuit breaker, several problems and potential hazards arise. Firstly, it becomes difficult to determine which circuit has an issue if a tripping event occurs. With multiple circuits sharing a single breaker, it can be challenging to isolate the fault and identify the source of the problem. Secondly, this situation can lead to confusion and delayed troubleshooting. Electricians and maintenance personnel may waste time and effort trying to trace the fault through multiple circuits, prolonging the downtime and increasing the risk of further complications. Thirdly, the practice of connecting multiple circuits to a single breaker poses potential hazards. Overloading of the circuit can occur if the combined loads of the multiple circuits exceed the breaker's capacity, leading to overheating, insulation damage, and fire hazards. The NEC intent is to ensure that each circuit is independently protected and can be isolated in case of a fault. This promotes safety and reliability by allowing for targeted troubleshooting and preventing the spread of faults to other circuits. By adhering to the NEC guidelines and connecting only one circuit to a circuit breaker, electrical systems can be designed and maintained in a manner that minimizes risks and maximizes safety. It is essential for electricians, contractors, and building owners to understand and comply with these requirements to ensure the integrity and safety of electrical installations. By following the NEC guidelines, electrical systems can be designed and maintained to provide reliable and safe power distribution, protecting people and property from electrical hazards.